Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna from KK Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Pimples Ramachi. My topic is molecular orbital theory. First, atomic orbitals. What do you mean by atomic orbitals? There are some important points are given as follows. Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that it is impossible to define what time and where an electron is and where is it going next. This makes it is impossible to know exactly where an electron is traveling in an atom. Since it is impossible to know where an electron is at a certain time, a series of calculations are used to approximate the volume and time in which the electron can be located. These regions are called as atomic orbital. They are also known as the quantum states of the electrons. Only two electrons can occupy one orbital and they must have different spin states, one half spin and minus one half spin, easily visualized as opposite spin states. Orbitals are grouped into subshells. The field of study is called quantum mechanics. Atomic subshells. There are some examples of atomic orbital: S subshell, P subshell. S is a spherical shape. There is a one s orbital in an S subshell. The electron can be located anywhere within the sphere centered at the atom's nucleus. Then second one is a p orbitals. Shape of p orbitals is like two balloons tied together. There are three orbitals in a p subshells. It is denoted as a px, py and pz orbital. They are higher in energy than the corresponding s orbital. The s orbital is a lower energy than p orbitals. There are three diagrams are given as follows for px, py and pz orbitals. Atomic subshells. D orbitals. The d subshell is divided into 5 orbitals: dx, dxz, dyz, dz2 and dx2 minus y2. These orbitals have a very complex shape and are higher in energy than the s and p orbital. There are three subshells s, p and d orbitals has a more energy than p orbital and than s orbital. There are five diagrams are as follows for dxy, d x square minus y square, dxz, dyz and dz square. Electronic configurations. Every element is different. The number of protons determine the identity of the element. The number of electrons determine the charge. The number of neutrons determine the isotope. All chemistry is done at the electronic level. That is why electrons are very important. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of electrons in an atom. These electrons fill the atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals are arranged by energy level: n subshell, l orbital, ml and spin ms in order. Lithium electronic configuration. The arrows indicate the value of the magnetic spin ms, quantum number up for plus one half and down for minus one half. The occupation of the orbital will be written in the following way: 1s2, 2s2 or 1s2, 2s1. Electronic configurations in box diagram. There are 5 elements, their electrons, orbital diagram and electronic configuration. First is a hydrogen element. The total electron present in hydrogen is 1. The orbital diagram is 1s1 and electronic configuration is 1s1. The helium atomic number is 2, orbital 1s. In s orbital there are 2 electrons. Then electronic configuration is 1s2. Then next is a lithium. The atomic number of lithium is 3. Then 2 electrons are in s orbital and 1 electron in a 2s orbital, and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. Then next is a beryllium. The atomic number of beryllium is 4 and the orbital diagram. In 1s orbital there are 2 electron and 2s orbital there are 2 electron, and then electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. And then last element is a boron. The atomic number of boron is a 5 and then orbital diagram. 1s block contain 2 electron, 2s contain 2 electron and 2p contain 1 electron. Then electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. The 2 electron in helium represent the complete filling of the first electronic shell. Thus, the electron in helium are a very stable configuration. For boron 5 electron, the fifth electron must be placed in a 2p orbital because the 2s orbital is a filled. Because the 2p orbital are equal energy, it doesn't matter with 2p orbital is a filled. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration can also be written in a shorthand which reference the last complete orbital shell, that is all orbital with the same principal quantum number n have been filled. The electronic configuration of sodium can be written as Ne3s1. The electronic configuration of lithium can be written as helium 2s1. The electron in the stable noble gas configuration are termed as the core electron. The electron in the outer shell behind the stable core are called as valence electron. Thank you.